Welcome to the account setup process for H2flow's BlueSync app. On the initial page, select Sign Up in the lower right-hand corner. Enter all your user information here and select Register. After selecting Register, you will be prompted to verify your email. From here, log into your account. Once logged in, we'll need to pair our first device. Ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, press the plus button in the lower right-hand corner. Once your device appears, select Connect. Select Pair, and wait for the device to discover local Wi-Fi networks. Select the drop-down arrow, select the internet network you'd like to connect to, enter your password, select Connect, and wait for the device to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once the device is connected, it will appear on your dashboard. On the BlueSync app dashboard, select the device. On the pump's device page, select Manage/Control Pump. Select Pump Setup. Enter the number of gallons of water in your pool. After entering the volume of your pool in gallons, and if necessary, changing the priming mode time, select Save. From here, we can select Pump Control to begin operation of the pump. There are 4 modes in which we can operate the Nautis VSF pump: constant speed, constant flow, vacuum/backwash, and turnover mode. Constant speed operates the pump at the user-specified revolutions per minute. In constant flow mode, the Nautis VSF pump continually monitors the flow rate and adjusts the speed of the pump accordingly. Turnover mode is the preferred day-to-day operating mode for the Nautis VSF pump. Here we select the number of hours it will take to circulate the total number of gallons of water in the pool. For residential or private pools, H2flow recommends a turnover rate of 8 to 12 hours. For public or commercial pools, H2flow recommends that the pool be operated according to local code. Vacuum and backwash mode is just a simple way to operate the pump at a high speed during vacuuming or backwashing of the filter system. After selecting and configuring the operation mode that we want to use, we press Save. And now it's time to begin operating the pump, which is as easy as toggling the switch in the upper right-hand corner. When operating in constant flow or turnover mode, it is recommended to set up a dirty filter reminder. This does 2 things. It limits the maximum speed of the pump to prevent overpressure in the system, while also reminding you to clean your filter. It's as easy as selecting Read at the bottom of the pump control screen, which will read the current RPMs of the pump when in normal operation, and selecting Save. Boost mode is a handy feature that allows the user to operate the pump at a 50% higher flow rate when in constant flow or turnover mode for a specified period of time during the day. The user specifies the duration, and the moment they select Save, the boost mode will begin. 24 hours later, or the next day, that boost mode will activate again. Boost mode would be used during periods of high heat, high sun exposure, or high bather load. To prevent excessive data usage, the BlueSync app does not update in real time. To update the data displayed, press the circular arrow key in the upper right-hand corner. To change modes during operation, simply select the mode and press save. The pump will begin operating in the selected mode. If you would like to personalize your device's name, you can select About at the bottom of the live status screen and simply change the name here.